Are you interested in AI? So you are in the right place. Are you interested in pictures that look real to viewers? A few days ago, while using Twitter, I came across a post in which someone shared an amazing prompt. By using this prompt, we can easily create ultra-realistic animal images. And the sounds are good. So I thought, why not I also use this prompt and see what results I get? So I simply go to this website. The name is Midjourney. So simply go to the website, the name is Midjourney, and write imagine slash and then paste or write your prompt, whatever you want, and the wait for the results. Oh, the results are shocking. I get an amazing results. You can see the line images. These are ultra realistic images, but no one identify this is real or AI generated. This is the power of AI. You all guys must try this amazing prompt and this amazing website. So try this prompt to generate a different animal images. So remove line and write a cute little monkey with sunset. So you guys can see I get super amazing results. But means I have no word. Good, really good results. Okay, try this prompt to generate other animal images like horse image. So simply write horse, remove cute little monkey, and we get some really amazing results. Again, superb images. Must try this amazing website. Okay, the last I tried giraffe images. Yeah. So this is also amazing results. These are really cool images. Must try this amazing results, amazing tool, and do let me know in comments. Are you like these images or not? So I share more videos, more from. Thanks for watching.